Welcome. If you want to change the notification sound in your Realme Narzo 30, you have to go for the settings, find sound and the vibration, and next you have to scroll to the notification sound. As you can see, currently is set up this Realme Jungle, and you can switch it, for example, between these 4 defaults. And we can also pick our own file from the files, but honestly I'm going to change for this emoji, and after that we can go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.